Welcome back to another episode of A Day in the Life here with Blue Collar EDU. Today we are on site with BluCor. They are a general contracting company. They do dirt work, they do site work, and today they are actually installing using a pretty cool method to install for drainage on a new facility being built by Keystone Homes. So come on the job site with me. Let's check it out.
Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall and face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall and face it all together. Skyfall is where we start. 1,000 miles and poles apart, where worlds collide and days are dark. You may have my number, you can take my name, but you'll never have my heart.
Alright, hey, I'm Dustin Bluth with BluCor Contracting. Operator Vice President with BluCor. We're out here on the Heavily job here in Gilbert for Keystone Homes. Right now we are installing storm tanks for stormwater, which are our cast-in-place concrete pipe. This here is a 10-foot diameter pipe that we're installing for this build-for-rent community. Cast-in-place pipe is a unique process that we perform here at BluCor. Although it's not new to the industry, it's been around since 1927 in one shape or another. Right now, we're currently one of the only contractors in Arizona that do cast-in-place concrete pipe. And basically it's a slip-form pipe. As you can see the trench down below, we dig at the round bottom bucket, and we have a machine, we call it a boat, that pours the pipe, and we use aluminum forms as spreaders to build the pipe. And as you see, the concrete gets poured into the hopper, and we have a power unit that propels the cast-in-place machine forward, and we go and we build the pipe. So at the end of the day, when we're done pouring, we strip the forms, the spreaders out in the forms, and repeat the process over and over. On this project here with Keystone Homes, we're going to be doing all the mass grading, the water, the sewer, the storm drain, and the paving on this project. So this is one of the first processes that we do because it generates such a large volume of material. So we try to get into our storm tanks first. So BluCor, we're a general contractor. We're a family-owned business. My uncle Gordon, he started BluCor in 1989. So that means we've been around for over 35 years now. And we self-perform about 80% of all our work. So we do grading, mass grading, all wet utilities, which is water, sewer, storm drain. We do dry utilities. We sub out most of our curb, dirt, and sidewalk. We do grading for paving. And then we do a wide range of different types of projects. We do subdivision work, we do capital improvement projects for the different municipalities. We work for ADOT, the Maricopa County Flood Control District, and basically every city in the Maricopa County area. Great question. We love to have young kids coming into the industry. It's really come and ask for a job and be willing to work and show up on time every day. The sky's the limit on the opportunities on what you want to do. We have a lot of employees that are here at our company that are 15, 20, 25, 30. We have a few 35-year-old employees in our company. And we tend to promote within our company. So I think when you come to work for BluCor, we give a lot of opportunity for someone to grow and expand pretty much in whatever direction they'd like to take their career. Right now when you start out, if you come green, you don't know anything, you start everyone out very much at $20 an hour. And then you start moving up into foreman, superintendent positions, project manager positions. Those range can go from anywhere from $80,000 to $150,000 annual salaries. You know, it's a great business. I started working at BluCor when I was 21 years old. I started working, I didn't know anything about construction. Literally didn't have a clue what even BluCor did. I asked Gordon for a job just because he's somebody I knew and I needed a job. And so 24 years later, I'm still here. It's a great environment to work. There's a lot of opportunity to grow. We do a wide range of different types of work. So if you want to be on the dirt side, on the underground side, dry utility side, the project management side, there's opportunities to learn and grow in every facet of our company, which I think is pretty unique. We want people to grow and learn and develop within our company. The whole, you have a winch in the power unit that has a cable and it pulls the boat forward as it makes the pipe. So typically we call it a dead man, but it's basically that apparatus over there that it pulls down and it holds itself together in the trench. But since this is such a short pipe, we're just using the excavator to hold it and detain it.